welcome. Let's get moving right away. Bring your knee up, gentle little twist. Let's warm up our bodies. Continue to build this remarkable strength. It's going to carry us through our lifetime. Have amazing consistency as we show up every day for ourselves. Move around your space if you like. Really feel it in the hips. Twist, get that lower back warmed up. One of my greatest teachers would always say, attitude is everything, so pick a good one. Thank you, Dr. Dyer. Every day we wake up, we get to choose our attitude. Which one are we choosing today? Yesterday was a little bit more challenging of a movement session. How was your attitude through it? Did you pick a good one? We'll slow it down a little today. We're gonna move with focus and intention. Start to kick. Reach your arm out. Nice full body movement. Be a bit of a cardio element today. Slow but steady through the entire session. I gotta keep my body nice and warm. Decided to brave the elements a little bit, but I gotta stay in constant motion to stay warm. Picking that good attitude regardless of the weather. We got another window of no rain. Hopefully we don't get interrupted, but we'll still stay with that positive attitude throughout. Okay, wider stance, twist and rock up off your heel. We're building core stability, great mobility here, such amazing strength in our legs. Feel it in your glutes, rock hard buttocks. I don't know where that came from. Oh, I'm in another area where there's many people around, breaking free of my own insecurities. It's amazing, I do this every day. Do it in front of groups of hundreds of people sometimes, and yet I can still be insecure. Push ourselves out of our comfort zone. Pick an attitude of, I'm not gonna please everybody. That's okay. As long as I'm not out trying to offend, it's okay if I don't make everybody happy. Twist just a little bit deeper. Okay. Choose your own adventure with this movement. So what I'm going to come and do is like a curtsy squat. You can just, sort of like a skater, just tap it to the side. If that's what feels right for you. Guess that was a tongue twister. But I'm going to just squat down a little bit more. This is such a great exercise for building that strength in the glute muscles, that big muscle in our buttocks. Ooh, strength there, yes. How about an attitude of like, I love my butt no matter what. Oh, whoa. Great for balance, core stability. Again, you modify this, whatever works for you. You can, thank you. Oh, gratitude. Gratitude changes perspective. Gratitude for the challenge. That's where I struggle. It's when there's difficulties. Can I be grateful for when I'm right in the middle of the challenge? That's where we learn and grow. That's the good stuff. Can we actually appreciate it while we're in it? That's a trickier one. But gratitude really does change our perspective. Ooh, okay, last one. Beautiful. Have some fun here. Widen your stance just a little bit. Just with one arm. Nice big circle. Get a side lunge. Head up high. Breathe. Great for mobility. The chest, shoulder and upper back. Building strength in the lower body. It's just kind of fun. Oh, look at the sun's popping out. My goodness. Really is going our way today. Let's go the other way. Other arm, same movement, just circle the other arm. Oh, we want to choose that good attitude. It's where we put our focus. Energy follows focus. What we focus on expands. The negative, the bad is always available, but so is the positive and the good. Oh. And if in doubt, just go to the little engine that could. I think I can. I think I can. Ah, brilliant. Okay, this will be different for each of us. Arms up nice and high. And maybe you just want to step. Brilliant. That's a great move. If you can get a little lower and get your hands between your leg, under your leg. Head up high. Breathe. The smell of mushrooms is so strong right now. It's amazing. There's so many mushrooms around me. Ah, see, I can direct my attention to something else. Oh, this is difficult. Oh, I can just focus on the beautiful smells of the environment. Ooh, couple more. Oh, shake. Just shake it out for a moment. Nice. Someone was asking me about abs the other day. Take your hands to your head. See if you can't get your knee to your elbow. Great for core stability, balance, building this strength. Most of the things we do, there's some element of core work. When you're climbing stairs, every time you bend, reach, squat, you're engaging the core. Visible abs are far more likely to come from what we do in the kitchen, from diet. But most of the things that we're doing, there's some core work. This is very specific to the core, and we do want good core stability. Everything does come from there. An amazing way to reduce lower back pain is to strengthen the core. So it's not about six-pack abs. It's about less pain, more comfort. Stretch it up there the best you can. And again, maybe it just looks like this for you. Wonderful. Okay. Nice, nice. Oh, windmill. We want to bend. Hinge at the hips. And just go here. Bend your knees. Feel comfortable in your legs and just twist as best you can. And you maybe, again, this is where you're at. Oh, how good is that? Uh-oh. The storm is coming back, I think. Oh. Couple more. Oh, maybe try to get to a flat back if possible. Yes. Rise up. Oh. Slow it down. Some of the things you do, you can go so much slower. Real presence. Nice slow march. When we slow it down, now we're bringing that element of balance in, core stability. Head up. Just feel. Oh, nice. This is the reminder. Get out for that evening walk. 15-20 minutes can do wonders. Nice slow walk, especially with somebody that you love, friend. Oh yeah. Alone's pretty nice too though, isn't it? All right, are you ready? Let's be playful. Best airplane yet. Whoa. Some days may be better than others. I'm getting blown over by the wind. How great is that? The wind is awesome. The rain is awesome. My attitude decides, especially on the things that we cannot change. If we can't change it, why wouldn't we take an attitude of, oh, how great. Get your leg up, arms up, and maybe you're just tapping your foot. Again, you're moving your body. That's the key. Ooh. Just hold the last couple for just a little longer. Hold it. Real steady, as you can. Last one. This is great, building strength in the upper back, shoulders, as well as this amazing balance. Oh, yes. Feels so good to move. Pick a spot, laser-like attention. You know the drill. Just be. Oh, the mind wanders, just notice it and bring it back. Let's go. Well done. The rustling is pretty cool, except when it feels like the branches are coming down. It's just like, look out. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's do this again tomorrow. Yes? Agreed. We'll do it. I will see you then. Thank you and goodbye.